Welcome to Investigation 1.2. For Investigation 1.2, we always remember our safety warnings. Anytime we're changing something, please make sure that the switch is open. The light bulb hopefully is already in the case, but if not, just go in until it's snug and it's touching everything it needs to touch. And last, we never want to touch a warm light bulb. Those are our safety warnings. Always want to remember those while we are doing that. So in this lab, we're going to be taking a look at current, okay? We're going to be using a ammeter. This measures in milliamperes. If you look, it goes from 0 all the way to 500, and each tick mark is 10 milliamperes. So each tick mark, as you're counting, each of the little lines between 100, 0 and 100, and 100 and 200 is 10. So it would go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is the longer one. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 is the is labeled. So that's going to be our ampere. And that measures current. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to set it up, and there'll be a picture in your lab directions. One of the things we want to remember when we're connecting this is we want to connect the positive side of the battery, which it has a little bit of a plus there, to the positive side of the ammeter. So I've got this set up. Here's positive. It goes through the switch. It's going to connect to positive, and I want to use the alligator clips to connect. We want negative, and again, I have my switch open. Negative, connecting to negative. And then we're going to close that switch, record what we notice. We want to record both a qualitative, which is words, and a quantitative, which is number, observation. And then the book told us to connect positive, positive. What do you think would happen if we switched it? Instead, the positive is going to go to the negative, and the negative is going to go to the positive, and we're going to close that switch. Again, we'll make a qualitative observation, we'll make a quantitative observation, and then I want you to think about, why do you think that happened? Why do you think what you observed happened? Also, keep in mind, if you're looking at other lab groups, if you get different results, the battery is our power source. And if you've experienced batteries like in a flashlight, sometimes newer batteries provide more power, and then you may end up with a different, like an older battery that may not give as much. So just keep in mind yours might be slightly different from other people because your batteries are different. Have fun with 1.2.